Hey Gary, what can I do for ADD?
ADD, attention deficit. If your nervous system is dysregulated, if you're under stress, you're going to have ADHD-like symptoms. One of the most powerful things you can do in your body is take it out of stress. And if you take your head out of stress, usually that calms you. So one of the first things I want you to try is actually taking the stress out of the neck and the head. Let's do an ear pull. Just try this and see what happens, okay? Grab your ears like this. Pull up. Look up and breathe 3 times. Chin down, breathing 3 times. Look up and breathe 3 times. And look up the other way, breathe 3 times and move around. Now, I'm not saying this gets rid of ADHD, but what ADHD is, stress causes it to exasperate. So when you bring down the body stress, you can do that, or you can do our non-surgical face lift. We're putting the